All right, guys, quick video here. Just going to kind of try to go through kind of a scenario of what you guys are going to be working on in your activity. And so, what we're going to do here, I have a graph, right? And on my y-axis here, um, this is my y. Um, I have money in dollars, okay? And then on my x down here, this is my x-axis. I have time in hours, okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to just put in a scenario. So let's say I make $20 every hour. So I make $20 per hour, per 1 hour, right? At my job. Got a new job. That's how much I make. Okay. So I'm going to graph that. All right. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to think about this, right? So I have $20, right? $20. So when I first start off, right, I don't have any money, right? So I start at 0, 0, and I'm going to go up to 20, okay? But I'm not going to do anything yet. Then what I'm going to do is since I do it, I make those $20 in 1 hour, per 1 hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over 1, right? You see how the one's right here? Okay. So then I'm going to put my point there. That'll be where my first point is. And that point represents 120, meaning $20 in that 1 hour. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll continue to do that, right? So from that point, so I start at the green point here, and I'm going to go up another $20. So I'm going to go up another $20, and I'm going to go over another hour, another hour. And I'll put a point there. And so now you can see that in 2 hours, I made 40 $40. Okay. And I can continue to do this and I can keep going. Okay. And the reason I'm kind of showing you with the arrows is so that we can really understand what's happening when we talk about slope and when we talk about graphing information like this with our rate of change. Um, this is our rate of change, and I'm graphing it so that I can see the slope of my line, right? Because that's what I want to see. So over another hour, right, to my third hour, okay? So this is how much money I would make in 3 hours, is $60. Okay. And so now what I can do is, since I have enough points here, and I could have done it earlier, but I could start to graph this line and see, how much money I would make in a particular amount of hours, or how long it would take, how many hours it would take for me to make a certain amount of money. I can get all that information from the graph. So since I didn't start with any money at all, that means I have to start at 0 time and 0 money, right? And then I'm going to try to make this as straight as possible. Okay. It's not going to be great. But I'm going to go through all my points here, and you'll have a line tool in your GeoGebra to do this. You won't have to draw it in by hand like I am. But I just wanted to give you guys an example of what this would look like. Okay. And I could go in, I could put my points in here, here, right? And so now you can see that I have this straight line going up. This is a proportional relationship, okay, because it goes through 0, 0. And so it's telling me every 20 or 20, I make $20 every 1 hour. $20 every 1 hour, $20 every 1 hour. And this would just keep going, right? Just like this. And this line, so you can see my slope would equal, slope equals 20 over 1. My rate of change, which is the same as my slope, it's the same thing, my rate of change equals 20 over 1. These are the same thing, okay? Thanks.